I stumbled upon an old typewriter at a flea market, its keys worn but inviting. Intrigued, I brought it home, thinking it would add a vintage charm to my study. The first time I tried it, my fingers danced over the keys, but the paper filled with ominous words I didn't type. Beware the woods. Danger lurks. Confused, I dismissed it as a mechanical quirk. But each time I sat down, the warnings grew more specific, describing a shadowy figure watching from the tree line. I couldn't shake the feeling of being observed. One night, I heard a rustling outside my window. Heart pounding, I glanced out to see a dark silhouette retreating into the trees. Panic set in as the typewriter clacked on its own. It comes for you tonight. Gripped by terror, I realized it wasn't warning me, it was a taunt. As night fell, the typewriter's clattering ceased, replaced by the